In Questionpaper.ai, you can edit and use the existing template. For that, first go to Templates. Here, you will find a list of 5 question paper templates already available within the application. So here, select on the copy icon provided to copy and edit it. For instance, let's say I want to create a question paper template that includes sections for one word, short essay, long essay, and paragraph questions. So in our existing templates, for example, template 5, we already have 3 of the mentioned sections. Therefore, I will utilize this template and add one more section. So to do this, first click on the copy icon here as shown. So upon clicking, you can make the necessary modifications and then save the changes. So first begin by entering a template name. So for instance, I'll name it as internal assessment. And then the description. So I'll modify the description like 4 sections instead of 3 and also add paragraph questions towards the end. So the description can be tailored according to your preferences. If needed, you can also modify other details such as institute name. So here I am changing the institute name into ABC College of Arts and Science. And then you can also change the evaluation type, whether it's mark or grade, and the examination duration. Also within sections, if modifications are required, you can make changes accordingly. You can also edit the total number of questions in every section. As we are adding a new section, there might be changes in the total questions. So in such cases, you can do that here. However, in this demonstration, I am not altering any existing sections. Instead, I'll add a new section called Party, which is totally dedicated to paragraph-based questions. So to do this, I'll first click on Add Section below. So here enter the section name. I am entering as Part D. Then select the section type, whether it's answer all questions, answer any questions, or alternate questions, 1 each, 2 each, 3 each. In this case, I will choose answer all questions. And then specify the question type. Since I want a section for paragraph question, I am specifying the question type as paragraph based questions. After that, next enter the total number of questions. So here I'll enter as 1. Next enter the questions to be answered. Since I have selected answer all questions in the section type, I will enter 1 here as the same number aligning with the total questions. Then enter the marks allotted for each question here. So I'll allocate 10 marks for each question here. If any custom instructions are required in your question paper, you can add them here. So I am adding the instruction here as read the following passage and answer the questions. The question carries 10 marks. Now, after entering all the necessary details, click Save to save the modified template. So now you will see the copied and modified template listed here. So here in the list, you can see various options provided for the modified template, such as copying, editing, and deleting. First one is edit. So suppose if you need to add or change any details added in the modified template, you can click on edit and make the changes. Suppose if you wish to create a new template based on the selected template, you can click on copy icon to copy the existing template. If you want to delete the template, you can click delete icon and then proceed to confirm deletion. So deletion is successful. But when a template has been utilized to generate a question paper, it becomes inaccessible for deletion due to its association with the created template. So in such cases, a pop-up message will notify users that the template cannot be deleted. So therefore, only after deleting the specific generated question paper which is connected to the template, we can delete the template. So once The connection between the template and the generated paper is removed by deleting the paper itself. You can proceed to delete the template without any restrictions. So that concludes the process of editing and using existing templates. Thank you.